Kia ora, I'm Erika Pearce and I'm in sunny Kerikeri today working on my new mural. I'd love to take you on a tour. So the concept behind this mural came from a workshop that I did with a bunch of the high school students, art students, and I'd asked them what was really important to them in their futures and what they wanted for our town. And a lot of them came up with the ideas around climate change and protecting our environment. So the flowers that I've included in this mural are very diverse and they represent all the diverse nationalities and cultures represented in our town. So we have the Pūtakawa here for New Zealand and the Kōwhai, and then I'm still working on the detail through here, but we have some beautiful hibiscus and frangipani to represent a lot of Pacifica and other island nations living here. Aside from one New Zealand marine fish down the other end, I've included anthias, which are a coral reef fish, and so that talks to the fact that our sea levels are warming and coral reefs need our protection, and if we were much further north we'd probably have them. So I just want to put a little bit of a surrealist take into it, and so that's why these beauties are here. So when I first presented the concept, I had a few people query why was Papatūānuku, our Earth Mother, under the water? And that is exactly the point I was trying to make. It's really important to me that we look after our beautiful environment so that we have an amazing home for the children of our future. This project was made possible with the support of the Kerikeri Charitable Community Trust. I'd like to say a big thank you to Annika, Dickey and all the supporters that have come and helped me. Come down and check it out for yourself.